Have you ever looked at the blue vastness of the ocean and thought that, after so much exploration and technology, we've already seen everything? Think again. Beneath the surface of paradisiacal islands and forgotten continents lies a completely hidden world, vaster and, in many respects, more unexplored than the surface of Mars itself. The underwater caves. Prepare for a journey into the unknown. Before we embark on this epic journey into the depths, please leave a like, share this dive with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any ocean mysteries. These subterranean ecosystems are portals to the unknown, filled with stunning geological structures such as stalactites and stalagmites formed during glacial epochs. But the most intriguing thing is the life. These caves harbor endemic species that have evolved in perpetual darkness, creating a true biological laboratory in the depths. These are not just dark caves. They are isolated evolutionary laboratories, where life adapts in ways that defy science. In these recesses, the pressure, the darkness, and the absence of food have created a gallery of bizarre creatures that live in perpetual anonymity. Stay until the end to understand the importance of these ecosystems and how responsible exploration can help preserve them. The descent has begun. As we explore the inhabitants of the deep, and sometimes the underwater caves, we find creatures that defy our sense of scale, such as the giant isopods. These remarkable crustaceans are, in fact, close relatives of the harmless terrestrial pillbugs, or woodlice, belonging to the order Isopoda. However, abyssal gigantism transforms this lineage. They can reach an impressive length of up to half a meter, and some larger specimens reach 76 centimeters, being sarcastically nicknamed sea cockroaches due to their robust and carnivorous appearance. They inhabit the deep sea floor, where they feed on carcasses that fall from the upper layers of the ocean, being crucial for the cleanup and nutrient recycling of deep-sea ecosystems. Known as the Gladiator of the deep, this crustacean is not only large, but also a master of survival in the most inhospitable environments. Its most impressive feat is its ability to go for long periods of time, potentially years, without ingesting absolutely any food. This is possible because its metabolism is incredibly slow, a perfect adaptation to the scarcity of nutrients and the extreme pressure of the depths. The lack of food, which would be fatal for most animals, is simply not a problem for the gladiator of the deep, allowing it to conserve energy and patiently wait for the next carcass to sink to the seafloor. This resilience makes it one of the most stoic survivors on the planet. The isopod is a scavenger, eating dead flesh, and its fasting ability allows it to calmly wait for a rare feast, such as a whale carcass, which may not appear for years. Its tough carapace protects it from the crushing pressure. Further into the depths of underwater caves, a fascinating example of adaptation to permanent darkness is the blind cavefish. Its most bizarre and notable characteristic is the complete evolutionary loss of functional eyes and skin pigmentation, a process known as troglomorphism. It is, literally, a translucent ghost fish living in a world of darkness. To compensate for complete blindness, this fish has developed incredible tactile and auditory sensitivity, relying heavily on an enhanced sensory system. It uses the lateral line, a set of highly sensitive organs that detect pressure waves and vibrations in the water, in conjunction with tiny whiskers and tactile receptors present on its head. This combination makes its sense of touch so keen that it can literally see the environment by processing the water disturbances reflected by obstacles or prey. The fish constructs a three-dimensional sensory map of its world, allowing it to navigate and hunt with precision in the absolute darkness of the cave. They live in total darkness. The absence of pigment and atrophied eyes are a vital energy-saving measure, as maintaining a functional eye wastes precious energy that is better spent on reproduction or searching for food. Continuing our exploration through the ocean depths, where life takes unexpected forms, we encounter the enigmatic squid larva. This creature is neither a fish nor a crustacean, but a bizarre squid that spends its long juvenile stage in the depths. What makes it unique is the fact that its larval stage is disproportionately large compared to the size of the mature adult. Because of this drastic difference in size and shape, the larva was, for a long time, mistaken by scientists for a separate adult species, and even given a distinct name, Grimaldi toothus. Its peculiar morphology and life in abyssal waters contribute to the mystery surrounding its life cycle. Its larva possesses gelatinous wings for swimming, and its head is shaped like a baseball glove. The most bizarre feature is that it is capable of ejecting its arms as a defense mechanism, distracting predators while it flees. The giant larva uses negative buoyancy and larval gigantism to stay suspended in the dark layers of the cave deep water, where predation is lower and the energetic cost of locomotion is minimized. Why do we care about creatures that live in a dark hole? The answer is pharmacology and evolutionary biology. The extreme isolation of these caves forces these creatures to develop unique proteins and chemical defenses. These caves are extremely fragile. The slightest degree of pollution from sewage or irresponsible tourism can destroy an ecosystem that took millions of years to develop and isolate. Unrestricted exploration is the greatest threat. The study of these organisms can provide crucial insights into how life adapts to extreme environments, invaluable information for the search for life on other planets. We need responsible exploration to map and protect these unique biomes before they are lost forever. From giant cockroaches that fast for years to the ghost fish that sees with touch, underwater caves are proof that life always finds a way, no matter how bizarre. Of all the incredible adaptations we explored in the deep sea, which one fascinated you the most, and why? The giant isopod's fasting, the cave blind fish's compensated vision, or the larval squid's buoyancy strategy? Let us know in the comments. To ensure you don't miss any of our upcoming dives and discoveries, your support is essential. Subscribe to the channel, like this video to support our exploration work, and turn on notifications to be alerted whenever a new ocean mystery is revealed, allowing us to continue this adventure into the unknown.